So welcome to my channel Divination 777. So I'm going to do a general energy read right now. So this looks like more of a love situation to me. So let's dive into the reading. So somebody in the past, like we have the Lovers card here. So this was a beautiful connection. You guys were in a beautiful connection, and it's like this person over here, there's a third party situation. This person over here, if I can get the camera to focus, this person over here just staring at this, like she's like staring and she's like, oh my god, this is so beautiful, I want it. Like this person is full of jealousy and envy. You could be this person could be a male or a female, doesn't matter, we do not read gender in tarot. So this person over here was very jealous and envious of this connection. So this person did some spell work. Okay, just keep in mind it's a general energy, so it may not resonate with everyone. So take it if it resonates, take it if it doesn't, don't take it if it doesn't resonate. So this person was full of envy and jealousy of your connection, and did some I'm getting some spell work, love chants, black magic, even some of them even went to death rituals. Oh my god, that's horrible. The lengths people go to. So this caused separation. See, we have the devil energy here. So this caused separation, we have devil energy here. So this person, like, just like I said, because devil energy is here, like this person, okay, let's just say if let's just take the female from the feminine energy. The other feminine energy was jealous of this feminine energy. Why is she getting it? What does she have that I don't have? She's like, I want it, it's so beautiful. So she's like, she did some spell work, and after some, it worked for a while. That's what I'm getting. It worked for this female for a while, but eventually this masculine energy saw her true colors and decided, that no, I don't want this. I don't want this feminine energy. And that's when this person, that's when this feminine energy who had been doing spells called in the devil and tried a death ritual on this feminine energy to keep the lovers apart. But it did not happen because the feminine energy was being protected by the divine. We have divine protection. So whoever the spell was being performed on is a very spiritual person, and they were protected by the divine. So and divine is, I'm getting a really angry energy. Divine is really angry with this person. The divine is really angry with this person, and I'm just and the justice card is here. Now this person is going to get the taste of their own medicine. So the divine masculine is going to leave this, or has already left. For some of you, the divine masculine has already left the connection, and for others of you, the divine masculine is planning to leave the situation. And the divine masculine is planning to leave the situation, but that is not that's not all. That is just they are getting separated. I'm feeling a really angry energy from the divine. After this, whenever the separation happens, separation is not the justice. Separation is like, okay, this person here, this king here, this divine masculine here has realized that she's a biatch, has decided that she's a biatch, I don't want to be with her, and I want my divine feminine back. I want my divine feminine back. I want a new beginning with my divine feminine. They are wishing on the stars that their divine feminine will accept them back. So they really want a new beginning with you. And you guys are extremely creative. You could have started something of your own, something creative, or you guys could be spiritual healers, life coaches, or some of you could be involved in music, art. Take it as it resonates. Basically, you guys, when the separation happened, you guys you tapped into your creative side, you picked after yourself and you tapped into your creative side, and you are independent and you're taking care of yourself and you're free. You have wings, you're free, you're independent. And meanwhile, this divine masculine realized that she's a biatch, this energy, and they want their divine feminine back. Coming back to the divine is very, very angry at this person. The divine is very angry, and coming back to separation is not the justice. Divine is going to do something extremely let's just stick to, because I cannot describe in words, or I don't think I can say that on YouTube what divine is going to do to them, what I am seeing right now. Let's just say this person is going to get a taste of their own medicine. Whatever this divine feminine, this not divine energy, this is not divine energy. Whatever this energy, this third party energy did to this connection, it will be revealed what this person did. Basically, the truth will be revealed of what this person did. Yeah, now I'm getting it. Let's just let me hold this. Yes, okay. Maybe this person will try to perform a death ritual, which is going to make divine mad. It is actually divine is already mad. It's going to make them angrier, and they will try to perform a death ritual when the divine masculine decides to walk away. And when this person is doing some sort of death ritual, somebody will walk in on them and their reputation will go down the drain. Somebody is going to walk in on this person while they'll be performing some kind of dark magic. A very noble, I'm getting a very noble or priest kind of person, very good person, will just walk in and see this person performing dark stuff. So again, you will be protected, because they will not be able to complete the ritual, and they will be forever, they'll have a stain on their image, like on their reputation. Their reputation will be ruined. They will have a stain forever, like, oh my god, this person tried to kill someone, this person tried to snatch someone, tried to break a connection, like what a selfish person, like what a biatch. So could be male or a female, we do not read gender in tarot, but I just like using the word biatch. So this is what we have. Let's see what messages do we have from this day. What messages does the divine want to give us tonight? Okay, so we have, you are my abundance. I was so blessed. I sincerely love you. I wasn't ready. Give me another chance. So basically, whoever walked away, like this person was able to separate you guys. This person got successful because this divine masculine over here already had some unhealed past trauma, and they had a lot of doubts and insecurities. So this person used those doubts and insecurities and played upon them with spells, with manipulation. That's how they were able to pull you apart. But then again, there is divine interference. Divine comes in and smacks people like these eventually, and that is what is happening right now. This person is so gone. This person is so gone. Somebody is going to walk in on them while they'll be performing some kind of dark magic. This person is gone forever. This person is going to stay single forever. That's like, you pulled beautiful connection, lovers apart. Now, dude, you're going to stay alone with a very bad reputation. So coming back to the messages, so the person in the past like wasn't ready, but now they have learned their lessons. Now they are not in non-committal energy anymore. Now they realize what you are to them. So they just want another chance. They realize who you are to them. They realize that you are their queen, you are their empress, you are their everything, you are their world, and that they are so blessed to have you. You are so amazing, and they just really want their beautiful, pretty, charming, intelligent lover back. Let's get some more messages. See, like I said, the person in the past wasn't ready, had some doubts, insecurities, and fears. That card just came out. Lacked self-love, low self-esteem. So separation was necessary. So, like we say, rejection is protection. Oops, my bag fell down. Lot of dark work. I picked up on the dark energy. Shit, my wand broke. I'll still complete. So yeah, shadow work was needed. Like we say, rejection is protection. So separation was necessary. Now since this person has done their shadow work, healed, and they have come to a realization, now it's time for you guys to unite. Oh my god, I'm feeling so bad for my wand. Oh, like a piece of my soul was so attached to that wand. My beautiful amethyst wand. What angels and spirit guides divine, what do we have for her? A new romantic cycle is going to begin. Basically, separation. Earlier the separation was necessary. Now since the shadow work has been done, so earlier separation was necessary, shadow work was needed. Now the shadow work has been completed. So now the divine is bringing you back together. Balance and harmony. We have the scales over here. The balance and harmony will be restored. New cycle will be started. Reconciliation will happen. The person will come back to you. Of course, it's free will whether you accept this person back or not. But divine is bringing you guys back together. It's a divine connection. So you could be dealing with a higher level of soulmate or a divine counterpart. Let's just get some oracle cards in this deck. What do you want to tell them, divine? What do you want to tell them? What do you want to tell them? See, new world. We have balance and harmony being restored. new cycles of love starting, new world, new everything, new beginnings. Just we have new beginnings. Let's just ask the unicorns also. What do we wanted me to take the guess? Okay, so the guidance here from the unicorn is listen to your intuition, follow your inner call. So you guys have a lot of inner wisdom, lot of experience. Use that experience, use your intuition. You guys are highly intuitive. Listen to your gut feeling and follow that gut feeling. That's the guidance that unicorns have for you, our spirit guides have for you. So this is the message that I have for you guys. So please like my channel, like my video. It helps my videos reach out to other people. Comment if this resonated with you. I would like to hear your stories. And subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my readings are uploaded. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can DM me on my Instagram, you can email me. And if you want to donate to the channel, the details will be given down below in the description box. All the details will be given down below in the description box. So love and light to all of you. Take care, stay healthy, stay happy.